Really take in a lot of equipment, see the latest technologies, visit with product experts. It's also a really awesome opportunity to be outside with the equipment. I think it's one of the only shows where customers are actually allowed to operate the equipment, and that's something that we really take into account in the John Deere booth.
The Utility Expo gives you an opportunity similar to a large car show. It allows all the competitors to come in, show their wares, all their representatives as myself are product experts on the subject that they want to talk about. So it brings a person in or a company in to get a lot of information in 2 or 3 short days.
It's been a lot of fun. There's a lot of neat things to look at, a lot of new things for the industry to learn about, see, and hopefully use in the future.
Definitely a large learning experience. There is a lot of equipment and stuff out here that you get to test out and look at. It's been pretty cool so far.
It's great to actually see the show from coming for about 10 years now. I've seen how it has transformed into a very miraculous event for Louisville and also for all of the different aspects of utility.
Oh, it's been great. I mean, I've made a bunch of different relationships with all these different manufacturers, some of the distributors, and this is a great time.
Oh, I don't think for the 2 to 3 days that you're here and the time away from work, I don't think that you could replace the relationships and the knowledge that you gather in these 3 days from all of the experts in all of these industries. Like, that is absolutely vital knowledge that you cannot get sitting behind a desk in your office because you think you can't miss work.